Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my weekly spread for the first week in April in my classic dashboard layout happy planner that is my catch-all. I use this planner for everything except journaling. I use my horizontal for that. I'm going to use the Spring Blossom new florals and matching kits that are available in my shop now. Let's see, my website is thepleasantlyplanned.com, and all stickers in my shop are going to be still 50% off through Monday. I was originally going to do it Sunday, but I've had a little delay in my filming. If you watched that video yesterday, you'll know there was some noise, background noise and things like that, so I had to kind of delay my filming. So we're going to make the 50% off go through Monday, April 1st. So let's get started. I'm also going to use, let's see. I think I'm going to use Inspirational Quotes 6. And then I did pick some washi. This is a real pretty washi. Can't tell you where it came from. Probably Amazon. This color matches the like mint color that's in the florals. And then I think I might use a little bit of black and white washi as well, just because of the black quote. I like to put a little bit of black in my spreads if I use dark quotes. So I may use like this Spotty Dotty washi. I need to find some more of this, because I'm almost out of the skinny, and I really like the skinny washi to decorate my boxes. So anyways, let's get started. I think what I'm gonna do, I want to go outside of my comfort zone. So let me think. I'm going to use some wax paper. This is just regular Reynolds wax paper that you get like from the, what is it, the paper goods section, like in the grocery store. And I want to try to make like a really cute cluster with boxes and a quote. Like I said, I kind of want to get out of my comfort zone just a little bit and do something different. But I'm trying to envision it in my head and I can't quite get there. So let's just try to see what I can come up with. I like this sticker, but I feel like it has too much yellow. I want to use, well, here, I could do this. Let's take this, let's swap out the pink and the yellow. So we'll put this box down here, this box up here. Then we'll put a floral here, and I kind of want to decorate around these with a floral and maybe a quote. I do like Dare to Begin. All right, let's try it. Let's just see what happens. Kind of scared. I always get scared to go outside of my comfort zone, but let's just do it. Let's do it. So I'll put the little hat and the camera down here, and then off camera, I always take my tweezers, and I say this in all my videos, and I kind of smooth down my clear stickers so that you can't tell that it's a sticker. So I don't know if you can tell on camera, but if I take my tweezers and just smooth out, it makes the sticker look like it's actually printed on the paper. So I'll do that off camera. All right, now let's take this, and I kind of want to go maybe like here. Oh, I need to white out the looking ahead. All right, and then we're going to take this pink one, and I'm going to try to come close to the bottom, but not all the way at the bottom. And then we'll take the yellow and go up here. I'm not exactly sure where I want to put that yellow just yet, because I want to take my quotes and put down here. like that. And then I kind of want some florals like around these boxes. So let's see, I think I'm going to use a small sheet. Let's try to just lay the florals over top of the boxes and not cut. Let's see what happens. And I'm going to take this one and lay it the opposite direction. Maybe like that. And then I kind of want to use some of these decorative elements as well. I'm just not sure where. I'm going to take these boots and lay them on my wax paper and kind of see how they look right here. It's not terrible. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Let's white out notes. Let's lay my boots down. I'm gonna cut these kind of flat or straight across so they kind of sit right on top of the box. I'm not pushing any of these stickers down completely, in case they need to be moved around, in case I change my mind. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna do big florals up top in the top corner, just like normal. Maybe like that, and then cut straight across. Oh, I get so nervous when I go outside of my comfort zone. Okay, now let's take this piece and put across the top. All right, this is really cute so far. So far, so good. Okay, now, do I want to take this washi? Oh, look how pretty this is. So we're going to go down at the bottom with this washi. That is so pretty. Oh, I love it already. I love these colors. I feel like I might have got my groove back. If you watched my video yesterday, you know my groove was kind of gone. That's what happens when I go a couple weeks without filming. That's the only downfall to being a one-man band over here with doing the shop and everything is it's hard for me to keep up with filling orders and filming. And I've always said filling orders is my top priority. So, yeah. It's just hard for me to do everything. And now look how pretty this black and white washi is in the box. Look how cute that is. So we're just going to finish this page before we start on the other page. And I'm just using my fingernail to rip this washi. I'm not too worried about it being perfectly straight. Look how cute that is. I love it. Okay. Yes, I'm loving this sheet, this side. This is so pretty. All right, I don't think I'm going to do much of anything else. I wonder, let's try to put a pink box up here. Where's my kit? Let's just try it and see what happens. Yeah, I like that. I almost feel like I want something to go in here. I just don't know what. we'll wait. Let's go to the other side. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just smooth all of these down, and then off camera, I'll take my tweezers, like I was telling you, and smooth everything down all the way. All right, so now let's go to boxes. So what do I want to do? I only want to use 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. I could use some of the small boxes too, like the quarter boxes. So let's go ahead and just go up top with a floral. I don't want it to look exactly the same as the other side. So let's do something like this. I didn't cut that right. Okay. And then we'll put this up top here. Cut off this excess. Okay. And then let's take, all right, so we have yellow. So I'm actually going to do the opposite of what I have over there. And I'm going to do, actually, let's try this. Let's go box, box, box. So I'm going to do, let's do pink up here. Pink. We're going to do this one down here. And then we're going to do yellow in the middle. Okay, so let's take a mini sheet now and decorate around. All right, let's take a watermelon little picture and put here. Oh, that's crooked. Okay, and then we're going to take the little boots and put right here. Okay, and what can we put beside this? The little watering can? Yeah, let's put the watering can beside the teal box. All right, that is so cute. And then I think what I'm going to do is take, let's see, let's take this and this. I don't want to do yellow though. I think we're just going to do that. That's crooked. Just because Monday looked a little naked to me. So we'll put that box there. I'll put this yellow box back. I kind of want a quote up here, but I don't know. Grace and hustle. Prove to yourself, not others. I like grace and hustle. We're going to do grace and hustle. And I'm going to kind of cluster it over this box. Is that crooked? A little bit. I can't straighten it up because it's going to mess up my box. So it's just going to have to be a little crooked. All right, now let's take some of this washi and go across the top. And go a little bit further over. cut this off. Okay, and then we're going to do my black and white in my boxes. So let's go at the bottom of the pink one. Top of the yellow. I like to just kind of stagger the position of my washi in my boxes so that I don't want everything to look identical. I don't really know that I want washi in these boxes. Let's try. Let's just try a little bit of washi on top and a little bit of washi below this one. I don't really have much room in these little quarter boxes to put washi. Look how cute this is, y'all. I love, love, love this spread. I think one thing I am going to do, though, is take a couple florals and just fill in, like, right here. I feel like this is a little bit naked, so I'm going to put a couple florals there. So I think I'm going to kind of cut this the long way. Or should I use... Oh, I've already used my small one, so I'm not going to use the small. I'll use the mini. And so I'm going to cut it like the long way. Find the longest point of the floral and cut it that way so that I kind of cover most of this box. Yeah, that's cute. And then I think I'll do a little bit down here. And then maybe do a little bit here. And this feels a little bit naked to me too. I might do a little bit under there. So let's do that same cut on this floral. I might do it a little bit different cut, just a tad. Look how pretty this is, y'all. And then let's just take and put this one down here. Oh, I love it so much. I love it so much. It's so pretty, y'all. What do you think? Is it missing anything? Let me know down in the comments. I don't think it is. Trying to look at it on screen. I think it looks perfect, to be honest. So yeah, let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I think it looks perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already purchased your new designs in my shop, you have through Monday to save the 50% off of all stickers at thepleasantlyplanned.com. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think I'm gonna try to film a couple more, so I'll see you guys over on those. Love y'all. See you later. Bye.